DJI Mavic 4 Pro Infinity Gimbal. The Infinity Gimbal supports roll axis rotation, allowing for angle adjustments during shooting to achieve more flexible camera movements. Settings. Set a shortcut button first for Infinity Gimbal roll control. Launch DJI Fly, go to Control, and scroll down to Button Customization. By default, the combination of the C1 button and right dial controls the gimbal roll. You can also assign the gimbal roll function to other custom buttons. Usage. The gimbal roll can be used in various intelligent flight modes such as quick shots, waypoints, focus track, and time-lapse. Combining these features allows you to explore and achieve more impressive camera movements. For example, in hyperlapse mode, you can adjust the gimbal's roll angle in free time-lapse or set the roll angle range in course lock and waypoint time-lapse for more diverse effects. Notices. Due to the limited rotation range of the gimbal on the yaw axis, its controllable range is restricted in portrait mode. This also affects the flight attitude and speed, resulting in a longer braking distance. To expand the rotation range, enable gimbal tilt angle expansion in portrait feature. When flying with significant attitude changes forward or backward, the gimbal roll range may also decrease. Additionally, during 90-degree downward recording, to avoid capturing the aircraft body, the aircraft will automatically adjust its flight attitude and speed